Why is my HVAC system making a knocking sound every few minutes? It is usually caused by a loose part, a moving metal piece, or air ducts that are expanding and shrinking. A knocking sound every few minutes means something inside the heating or cooling system is hitting, shifting, or starting up the wrong way. Sometimes a fan blade is loose and taps the housing each time it spins, and sometimes a motor mount or a blower wheel is worn out and lets parts move more than they should. Ductwork can also make knocking noises because metal changes shape a little when warm air or cold air passes through it, almost like a tiny snap or tap. If the noise happens right when the system turns on, that can point to a startup problem, while a sound that repeats while it runs can point to airflow trouble or a part that is cycling badly. One thing many people do not know is that a dirty filter can make the whole system work harder and cause pressure changes that make duct sounds worse. Another less obvious cause is a failing relay or control part that makes the unit start and stop in short bursts. A simple action you can take is to check the filter, listen for where the sound is loudest, and note whether it happens in heating, cooling, or both. If the knocking gets louder, faster, or comes with burning smells or weak airflow, it is smart to shut the system off and have it checked. A common mistake is thinking every knocking sound means the whole system is broken, when sometimes it is just one loose screw, panel, or vent. A good tip is to press gently on the access panels and listen for changes, because that can help you find the noisy spot. Another mistake is ignoring the filter, because a clogged filter can create strange pressure changes that make parts rattle and knock. Replace it if it looks dirty and make sure the size fits the slot exactly. People also mistake duct noises for a bad furnace or air conditioner, but ducts can bang when they expand, contract, or flex too much. If the sound seems to come from the walls or ceiling, focus on the ducts and vents first. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.